Australia has conceded its economy will suffer if Chinese students stay away. Beijing has urged students to be cautious when choosing Australia as a place to study. It's the latest salvo as ties between both countries sour. Just a month before Australian universities are set to reopen, China's education ministry has cited a rise in racist incidents targeting Asians. Just last week, there was a warning advising Chinese tourists to avoid Australia. Trade Minister Simon Birmingham says universities would feel an effect if international student numbers declined. Education is a big business for Australia, raking in $26 billion a year from foreign students. Those from China make up nearly 40%. Now, Frank Larkins, a Professor Emeritus and former Deputy Vice-Chancellor at the University of Melbourne. He says Australian universities may experience significant losses for years to come.
Well, Australian universities have done remarkably well over the last decade in raising revenue from international students. And at the present time, there are more than 400,000 international students enrolled in Australian universities. But of course, no one predicted the COVID-19 pandemic. And as a consequence, with the borders closed and obviously with students coming from a range of countries, including China, where their parents and governments also are financially stressed, it's predicted that there will be significant fee revenue losses for Australian universities, not just in 2020, but this is likely to continue for another 3 to 5 years because of various pipeline effects.